Welcome back to the Baughman-Treiberg Virtual Greenhouse and Pond Tour. In our last video, we covered construction of our greenhouse. Here, we'll focus on the koi pond. We installed this tank in 2015, almost 3 years before construction of the greenhouse. Filled up, the tank holds 27,000 liters, which is about 7,000 gallons. We have a collection of 24 koi that range in size from 14 to 16 inches, up to about 26 inches or more. Their ages range from 2 years to 16 years, although you'd never guess right based on size alone. The koi are fed up to 10 times per day by a pair of solar-powered automated feeders. The tank is made from bolted sheets of corrugated steel, the same material used to construct grain silos. The walls are 4 feet tall, although we sunk them a foot below the ground. This gives a comfortable height for both viewing and catching the koi. The tank is lined with a custom manufactured PVC liner. While not as durable as the pond guard material, the ease of installation and the lack of folds worked well in our application. The filtration setup is relatively straightforward. We have 2 aerated bottom drains that feed into 4-inch diameter outlets. There's an additional 4-inch intake on the tank side and a modified 2-inch no-niche skimmer as well. All of these feed into a modified radial drum filter that we call the Blue Retro. The original RDF operated using hydraulic valves that triggered a cleaning cycle based on the changes in water level as the screen became clogged. Let's watch it in operation. The filter has a UV light incorporated into it. In addition to keeping the external filter components free of growths, it provides sterilization of the filtered water, which further reduces the pond's bacterial loads. This filter has had the hydraulic gearing removed and replaced with an electric motor and chain-driven drive shaft. It now operates on a set cycle time based on an inexpensive timer that's set to match the cleaning requirements of the pond based on the seasonal feeding levels. The timer also controls an electronic solenoid valve that simultaneously allows water to flow through the spray heads. From the RDF unit, water is taken up by a single 1/4 horsepower cascade pump, which then splits the delivery into 2 biological filters. The tall black filter is a large Clarity protein skimmer unit. The bio barrels that it was supplied with have been replaced with small pieces of locally distributed feather rock. This provides us with a small-scale shower filter that helps with pond water gas exchange. Because we trickle water into the pond steadily, we've never built up enough dissolved organics to see any significant foam collect, which suits us just fine. The main filter, though, is this 1,000-liter IBC tote, filled with 200 liters of Caldness K1 media. This large-volume moving bed is boiled by 2 8-inch diameter air discs that share the same air pump as the 2 bottom drains. You'll notice that most of the water from the IBC moving bed filter is delivered subsurface. This helps in reducing the overall volume in the greenhouse and gives the tank a steady, sweeping current. Well, that concludes our virtual pond tour. Thanks a lot for joining us. If you liked the video, leave us a comment below.